Hello everybody, Casey and Zed here. Tonight I'm doing another Guy Fawkes video. Just me on Sparkless. Do 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 do. You'll hear some fireworks over in the distance. This will be my second Guy Fawkes video. I'm not uploading often, as I probably said in the last one. I'm not uploading often, as you probably know, because I'm a horrible YouTuber. And I just dropped the sparkler. Great. Keep looking at the pretty fireworks, and as you know, I'm a really bad YouTuber. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I don't have any consoles or anything. I'm actually uploading on my iPad. So sad. Last sparkler. Come on, man. No pressure. It's gone. It's gone. Yeah, I'm not uploading often. Just let you in some light. Not uploading often because nothing to record. There's no topics on vlogs or anything. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe and share, and see you guys.